co-star for you guys? Alright, so today we picked up this like carbon fiber interior pieces, right?
Yep.
Accessories. So this right now is kind of like gray, huh? You can say like brush gray.
Like gray. Stock from the dealer.
Yeah, stock from dealer, and then he's just gonna add these trim pieces.
You could just go like as double-sided tapes. You take them off and just stick them on, right? You know, but it should look like that. And
oh yeah, it makes a big difference.
We're gonna install them for you guys and then show you guys the aftermath.
Yep. All right, so I'm gonna just leave you guys right here for a quick time lapse of install. So check it out. It's installed. There's a vent over there. That looks crazy. And then my boy had got a light, but we still trying to figure it out if it's Challenger or Charger.
You guys want to spin it a little bit, you know? Fuck it. You only live once, so I'm gonna spin it real quick.
He's gonna give us a quick lap just for the one time.
It's cracking, y'all. Have it off. I guess I have it off. I don't know.
But yeah, let's see what it do. I'm gonna get the outside point of view. Shut the fuck up! Hey, shut your bitch ass up. Shut your bitch ass up. Fuck you mean he's gonna go if he's in the way? He's gonna crash it. The fuck? I'll slap your fucking dirty ass. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.